Hello children.
Yes, how are you all? I hope you are doing fine. Again, what is the first thing to do? First, we'll check the homework problems. Okay, I gave you few homework problems yesterday, right? So first, let us check the answers for it. Question number 1. We have to add these three numbers. How should we start adding? We should start adding from the ones place. Yes, we should start adding from the ones place. In ones place, we have 9, 6 and 3. 9 plus 6 becomes 15. 15 plus 3 becomes 18. So we'll write 8 here and 1 gets carried. In the tens place, we have 1 plus 6 becomes 7. 7 plus 7 becomes 14. 14 plus 6 becomes 20. 0 here and 2 carried. In the hundreds place, we have 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. So the digit in ones place will be written here and the digit in tens place will be carried. Moving to the thousands place, 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Yes, children? Yes, so the answer is 8,108. Moving on to the next question. In the ones place, we have 3 plus 9 plus 0. 3 plus 9 becomes 12 and 12 plus 0 becomes what, children? Any number added to 0 gives the number itself. So 12 plus 0 is equals to 12. The digit in ones place is written here and the digit in tens place is carried. Moving on to the tens place. 1 plus 7 becomes 8. Again 8 plus 8 becomes 16. 16 plus 8 becomes what, children? 24. Yes, 16 plus 8 becomes 24. 4 will be written here and 2 will be carried. Moving on to the hundreds place. 2 plus 6 becomes 8. 8 plus 0 becomes 8. 8 plus 3 becomes 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 becomes 11. 1 here and 1 carried. Now moving on to the last place, which is the thousands place. 1 plus 4 becomes 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. Yes, 8,142 is the answer for the second homework problem. Moving on to the third question. In the ones place, we have 8, 0, 3. 8 plus 0 becomes 8. Again 8 plus 3 becomes 11. 1 here and the other one carried. In the tens place, we have 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. 15 plus 0 becomes 15 only. So 5 which is in ones place will be written here. 1 which is in tens place will be carried. Moving on to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 plus 7 becomes 12. 5 plus 7 becomes 12. So 2 which is in ones place will be written here and 1 which is in tens place will be carried. Now to the last place, which is the thousands place. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. So the answer is 8,251. Okay students, check the answer. Check these with the answers you got. 8,108, 8,142, 8,251. Yes. Moving on to the next questions. Again few more additions. The first one is we are having 4 numbers. We are having how many? 4 numbers. So starting from the ones place, 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 plus 6 becomes 11. 11 plus 7 becomes 18. So 8 will be written here. 1 will be carried. Moving on to the tens place, 1 plus 4 becomes 5. 5 plus 4 becomes 9. 9 plus 9 becomes 18 and 18 plus 7 becomes 25. So 5 will be written here and 2 carried. In the hundreds place, we have 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Yes, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So 7 here and 2 carried. In the thousands place, we have 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So 9758 is our answer here. Wait 1 second children. 9758 is the answer. Yes. Now moving on to the second question. In the ones place we have 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 7 gives us 23. So 3 here and 2 carried. In the tens place we have 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 4 becomes 14, 14 plus 6 becomes 20. Again 20 plus 0 remains 20 only. So 0 here and 2 carried. Now in the hundreds place we have 2 plus 0 which is 2. 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 4 becomes 22. So 2 here and 2 carried. Lastly in the thousands place we have 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So 9203 is our answer for the second question. The last question. In the ones place we have 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 becomes 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 12 plus 2 becomes 14. 14 plus 0 becomes 14 only. So 4 which is in ones place will be written here. And 1 which is in the tens place will be carried. Moving on to the tens place. 1 plus 0 becomes 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 7 becomes 9. 9 plus 9 becomes 18. 8 here and 1 carried. In the hundreds place we have 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 4 29. So 9 will be written here. 2 will be carried. The last place thousands place. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 7 plus 2 becomes 9. So these are the answers here. 9758, 9203, 9984. Hope you all got correct answers. Okay. Yes. Now coming on to the oral addition questions. Yes, I solved the first question and last questions. The remaining were given to you as homework. Yes. So let us start solving these. You remember how to do the oral addition, right children? Now look at the question here. All the three numbers are having zeros. 1 0. So in the answer we put up a 0. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 plus 3 becomes 8. So we wrote 8 before 0. The answer is 80. Question number C. Again we are having 2 zeros in each question. So in each number. So we wrote 2 zeros in the answer. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. The answer is 900. Yes. Now coming to the question number D. We are having 3 zeros in each. So I will put 3 zeros here. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. 8000. Again children, why are we putting this 8 before zeros, not after zeros? Because in the question the numbers are before zeros. Yes, the numbers are before zeros and not after. Moving on to question number E. Again 3 numbers are having 0. So we will put a 0. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 60 is our answer. Oral addition is very easy, right children? Yes. Yes. Hope you did the homework. Question number F. We are having 2 zeros. So I will put 2 zeros. 3 plus 6 becomes 9. The answer will be 900. Now again G. We are having 2 zeros in each number. So I will write 2 zeros. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. 7 plus 2 becomes 9. 900. Question number H. We are having 1 0. So I will put a 0. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So the answer will be 70. 7070. Question number I. We are having 2 zeros. So I will put 2 zeros. 9 plus 5 becomes 14. So I will write 14 as it is. 1400. Moving on to question number K. We are having 3 zeros here. So I will put 3 zeros. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So the answer will be 5000. Yes children? Yes. These were the homework problems. And now moving on to today's topic. which is properties of addition. What are we going to learn today, children? Properties of addition. The first property we are going to learn is commutative property. What is this? Commutative property. Okay, commutative property. Now what is this commutative property say? The sum of two numbers does not change on changing the order of the numbers, and this property of addition is called the commutative property of addition. See, what are they saying? When we take two numbers, okay, when we take two numbers, say here the sum of the numbers 456 and 123. Their sum means what? Addition. Yes, their sum, the result from the addition is called sum, does not change on changing the order of the numbers. What do you mean by the order of the numbers? Like, see, we are having these two numbers here, right? Two numbers 456 and 123. Now when we add these two numbers 456 and 123, we'll get the answer of what? 579. 456, 123. When we add 6 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, we got the answer of 57. Now when we change the order means, now here this was first and this number was second, right? Now I'll change the order. I'll write 123 first and 456 second. Okay, 456 second. Now I'll add these two. 3 plus 6 becomes 9, 2 plus 5 becomes 7, 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Yes, yes children? Yes. See, even if I changed the order, the answer we got is 579 only. What do you mean the order? Order means changing the places. Like this number was first, this was second, but now I've changed it to 123 is in the first place and 456 in the second place. Yes, even though I changed the answer, changed the order. First it was 456 plus 123. Now it is 123 plus 456. Yes children, even though I changed the order, the answer we got is the same here. The answer we got is 579 only. Hence the resulting sum does not change and remains the same as the sum in the previous order. Previous means before. So in the before, the sum did not change. Even we got the same sum both for the previous order and for the current order. Now what is this called? This is called as commutative property of addition. What does it say? The sum of two numbers does not change on changing the order of the numbers, and this property of addition is called the commutative property of addition. Clear students? I hope this was clear, right? Commutative property. What does it say? That even though the order of the addends means what? These two numbers 456 and 123 which we are adding together. If the order of the addends is changed, the sum remains the same. Yes, the sum remains the same. Moving on, add 3625 and 2768. Also add 2768 and 3625. What do you observe? See, what do you observe? What are they saying here? We are given two numbers. Yes, we are going in two numbers and they have asked us to add. So let us add 3625, 2768. When we add, 5 plus 8 becomes 13. 1 gets carried. 2 plus 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 3 plus 6 becomes 9. 6 plus 7 becomes 13. So 1 gets carried. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. We got 6393 as the answer. Now what are they saying? Add 2768 and 3625. 2, 7, 6, 8, 3, 6, 2, 5. Yes, add. 8 plus 5 becomes 13, 1 gets carried, 6 plus 1 becomes 7, 7 plus 2 becomes 9, 7 plus 6 again becomes 13, 1 gets carried, 1 plus 2 becomes 3 and 3 plus 3 becomes 6. See, what did we do? We changed the order of the numbers. In the first problem, we took 3625 first, but in the second problem, we wrote it in the second place. We wrote it down. Yes, we changed the order. Now, here this was first, now here this is second, here this was second, but now it is written in the first place. And what do you observe from this? Even though we changed the order, the sum we got, that is the answer we got, is the same. Yes, children, the answer is 6393 only in both the cases. Yes, the answer sum remains the same. So this is called as the commutative property of addition. What did we observe? We observed that 3625 plus 2768 is equal to 2768 plus 3625. Yes, the order is changed but the sum remains the same. Understood, children? I hope this was clear. Moving on to the next property of addition, which is the associative property. Which is what? The associative property of addition. What does it say? The sum of the numbers does not change on changing the group of addends. The sum of the numbers does not change on changing the groups of addends. Like there are two groups in the following term. 4 plus brackets open 5 and 6, 5 plus 6, comma 4 and 5 plus 6. The resulting term, sum of the term 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 15. On changing the groups of the numbers, the resulting sum 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 15. Therefore, the sum of the numbers is same on changing their groups. This property is known as associative property of addition. Okay, children, what is this saying? This associative property is also very much similar to our commutative property of addition. Yes, in commutative property, what did we have? We had two numbers. And we changed the order. Of the numbers. So even though we changed the order of the numbers, we got the same sum, right? We got the same sum. Now here we are having three numbers which are grouped as 2. 4 will be considered as 1 and 5 plus 1 will be considered as 1. Yes. So these three numbers 4, 5 and 6 are grouped as 2. In one group we are having 4, and you are looking at the brackets here. These brackets mean that these two numbers are considered as a group. So 5 and 6 are in the other group. What happens when we add? And remember, children, whenever we have brackets, we have to add those numbers first. Let us keep 4 like that only. 5 plus 6 becomes 11. Yes, 5 plus 6 becomes 11. And the answer will be 15. 4 plus 11 becomes 15. Okay. Now this was the one order of groups, wherein 4 was in the first group, 5 and 6 were in the second groups. Now what if I change the order? What if I place 4 and 5 in the first group and 6 in the second group? Understood? 4 and 5 in the first group, 6 in the second group. The groups are changed here, right? In the previously we had only 4, but now we are having 4 plus 5. Previously we had 5 plus 6, but now we are having only 6. Now how will we add this? Again, as I said, when we are having two numbers in a bracket, we will solve that first. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. Then we have the addition symbol. Then we have 6. Now 9 plus 6 becomes 15. Yes children, what do we observe from this? The ordering of the groups, the grouping is changed, but the resulting sum we got is the same. The resulting sum we got is the same. In both the cases the answer was 15 only. Yes, the difference between associative and commutative is, in commutative we have only two numbers, say 4 plus 5 which is equals to 5 plus 4. Yes, we have only two numbers, but in associative we have three numbers. 4 plus brackets open 5 plus 6 will be equal to 4 plus 5 brackets close and then plus 6. Understood children? This is the main difference between commutative and associative property. In commutative we have only two numbers and their order is changed. In associative we have three numbers and their groups are changed. No matter the groups are changed, the resulting sum is the same. Yes children? Yes. So this is what is about associative property. Therefore, the sum of the numbers is same on changing their groups. This property is known as associative property of addition. Clear children? We learnt about commutative and associative properties of addition.